days. From laser-cut aluminum to the powerful thrust of the TV3-117, the Antonov An-140.
Inventory manifest check for the An-140 bay. Confirming aluminum sheets and polymer rolls.
All data matches the shipment. Confirmed.
The sophisticated spectrometer precisely measures the elemental breakdown. With the consistency lock verified, we
a little lower on your side, then engage the clamps.
Roger that. Clamps secured and aligned. Propeller hub alignment checked and confirmed.
Sensor package secured. Finalizing sign-off now.
The TV3-117 engine is precisely maneuvered into the mounting pylon. Automated index
Continuity test on harness 39er complete.
Confirmed. All readings are nominal.
This panel is secure.
Confirmed. Let's move to the next section.
Check the humidity levels on auxiliary sensor 3.
Reading stable. We have optimal conditions for process A.
Rudder full left,
Left confirmed. Full right.
right conformed. Elevators up and down.
Checks complete.
Data confirms mechanical stability. Ready for taxi testing.
Control surfaces check complete. Ailerons and flaps responding normally. Braking looks good.
All parameters checked, no discrepancies on the fuselage. Confirmed, the aircraft is airworthy. Sign off on process A completed.
Rudder locked. Elevators secure. Good to go.
The thermal imaging camera verifies the adhesive curing process, showing a perfect, consistent bond.
The Antonov An-140's final acoustic dampening kits are sealed. Robotic arms secure the heavy crates, ensuring the integrity of Product B.
The large international freight truck, loaded with the acoustic dampening installation kits, slowly pulls away. Confirm.
The acoustic dampening installation is fully complete. Engine noise mitigation confirmed.
The final certification for the dampening kits. The noise reduction figures are all detailed here.
Thank you. The results look excellent, handled professionally.
The specialized dampening installation ensures a smooth, quiet journey, even near the engines.
It's much quieter than I thought it would be.
Yes, the acoustic dampening really works. I feel so relaxed.
I tell you, these new dampening kits make a world of difference. It's so quiet. Absolutely. I can actually hear you perfectly without shouting.
Here is your orange juice, ma'am. Is there anything else I can get you today?
No, thank you. That will be all.
That was surprisingly smooth, wasn't it?
Yes, very relaxing.
I have to say, the reduction in ambient noise was significant. It's a much better operational environment.
I agree completely.
The unseen power of our dampening modules ensures a silent cabin, highlighting the high-quality finish of the final installed product.